You dealing with overcrowded spaces? Well, let me show you how I converted these chairs into this DIY bench. We built our porch during the pandemic, and I always had this vision of making benches for this space. Listen to the sound. It's absolutely terrible. The space is limited, and these chairs just aren't working anymore. So after seeing Amanda's post, Just Do It Amanda, go follow her now, I decided to research how much these benches would cost, and oh my gosh, they are way too expensive for me. And I decided that it was time for me to get to the hardware store and pick out some lumber. I ended up going with the select pine option. I just feel like the quality is so much better. Yes, it's more expensive, but the more affordable boards at my Home Depot were just not the same quality. I ended up staining these boards originally, and that was a nightmare because the humidity was 90% and it wouldn't cure. So back to Home Depot I went to pick up some tinted primer and some black paint. Unfortunately, my stain dilemma cost me hours of sanding and priming all of my boards before I could get to actually painting the surface. I went with Limousine Leather by Behr. After hours of prepping and painting my boards, I was ready to get moving. Check back for part 2 of my affordable bench build.